Marilena from Reno-Assistance, and we're here today at the National Home Show. Let's go see inside and let's get inspired. Tell me, Olivia, what's new this year?
A lot of new trends that I'm finding people are coming in for is for wall tiles, 3D wall textures.
So tell me, what is the 3D tile? What does it look like?
3D tile can be anywhere from something with like some star action, a little bit of waves. A lot of the waves are very subtle.
Can it be installed in showers, kitchen, backsplash?
Showers, kitchen backsplash, fireplace feature wall, anything to kind of have a third element to the room.
Do you have anything else that's really like innovative and new?
Well, we introduced our wood products, so all natural hardwood, really, really beautiful stuff.
Tell me about Condo Candy.
We expand home experiences by providing and installing outdoor flooring.
So what are the main trends right now, Doug?
The biggest trend that we see is outdoor living and outdoor space, especially in condos, whether you're a 40 square foot condo, whether you're a 1,000 square foot condo. People want to be able to go out there and enjoy that space because the price for condos is quite high, so they want to be able to utilize all the space. So we find that outdoor flooring is really a big trend because people want to put the flooring in, then they want to put the nice furniture in.
So I love your booth here. The kitchen is beautiful, and this is actually a really strong trend this year, isn't it?
It's becoming very popular. We work with a lot of designers and contractors, and that seems to be the big trend. Black kitchens with some wood accents just to lighten up the darkness.
So I know that a lot of my clients often are concerned about the black cabinets because of fingerprints.
In terms of fingerprints, that's a good question. You will see fingerprints, but depending on the sheen that we finish the cabinetry in will determine how visible those fingerprints will be. If it's a very high sheen, like a high gloss, you'll definitely see that. We tend to work with a 30% or 25% sheen, so less likely to see the fingerprints.
These are type of cabinets that would go really, really high and with no handles.
That's definitely the sleek and very contemporary look right now. So for example, here we have Bloom vento servos where
we love Bloom.
We work with Bloom soft close hinges and tracks, and this is the newest. You just push the button here, it'll just open up. Right? And you can just push that button again just to close it.
Oh wow.
And you've got that.
On est spécialiste dans des portes et fenêtres en aluminium, style européenne. Alors, c'est des portes oscillobattantes qui ouvrent à l'intérieur ou des portes levantes coulissantes.
Donc, la porte au complet est en aluminium?
Absolument, oui.
Parce que moi, je sais que normalement, la fenêtre en aluminium a tendance à refroidir la maison. Là, tu me dis que le produit s'est amélioré.
Oui, absolument. Une fenêtre sans coupe-froid, je vous dirais, va refroidir la maison. Mais le polyamide, qui est des fibres de nylon compressées, va faire en sorte que le froid ne se transmet pas de l'extérieur vers l'intérieur. Alors, c'est excessivement performant comme produit.
Ah, intéressant. Ouais. We're talking about beams here.
That's correct. Structural engineered beams for supporting weight loads.
So I stopped here at your booth because we have a lot of requests regarding removing a supporting wall.
So what we have here is a steel I-beam with LVLs packed into the center of the steel I-beam. What this enables us to do is actually attach your joists to the wood.
Got it.
So that it can be completely flush and hidden above your drywall.
Okay.
The steel I-beam here is mainly a drop beam. So what we will do is we'll lift this up against your joists and it will support them. And then just the pure wood, it can be used either way. It can either go up into the floor joist cavity or it can be a bulkhead hanging down.
Basements is a big thing here in Toronto.
It sure is. It's very demanding nowadays.
What's your added value compared to other companies?
Well, we're a company that likes to dedicate a one-on-one. We provide a 3D design with a special touch. So we would go to your home and we would provide a 3D concept of what ideas you have for your dream basement.
I really enjoyed the show today. I hope you did as well. And if ever you have a renovation project, please call me.